Hey there, just stopping by. For my first thing I'm gonna make is peanut butter. Pretty easy. I thought I'd introduce myself that way. And it's easy, and it's not healthy, and I'm not saying this is a healthy channel. I just thought I'd show you what I do to make peanut butter. I get some honey roasted dry nuts. I can't show you the brand, but it is a 16-ounce container, freshly opened. I pour the whole thing in my food processor. I also add, well, actually I'm going to add that at the end, but I'm going to add honey. So what we're going to do, and in the editing I will try to tone down the noise that this is going to make. Turn it on. And you see that it's very grainy right now. Very grainy. And what's going to happen, I don't add oil because nuts or peanuts will release the oil as the process continues. So I'm going to start it up again. And you're going to see that it's going to start going into a clump. And then finally the oils are going to completely release, and then it's going to be peanut butter. So let's continue. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some local honey. Going to use, this is already honey roasted and you really don't need to add anything to it. My family likes it though. 2 teaspoons of honey. And then I'm going to let it blend again. Scrape the sides. I forgot to get that. And it doesn't take, it's loud, but it doesn't take much time at all. And it's good. I like it better than regular peanut butter. I don't even buy regular peanut butter anymore. You've got peanut butter. You can make that as creamy or as chunky as you want. peanut butter. It's very good. I stopped buying peanut butter probably about a year ago, and I've just been making it ever since, and it's easy, and I make enough. We go through it pretty quick. I just put it in a container and I put it in the refrigerator, and it lasts about a week. So I hope to see you again. Please thumbs up and subscribe and comment, and always remember that we want to build each other up, not tear each other down. Have a good day.